Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable AOL mail notifications. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for AOL just like that. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and log in and click on this mail tab right over here. And you're going to be on this mail page. So once you're going to be on this mail page, in order to go ahead and turn on your notifications, all you need to do is click on this settings tab right over here on the right hand side of your screen, and now go ahead and click on more settings. Now on the third tab there is going to be a notifications button. Simply go ahead and turn this button on, and it's going to ask you if you want to show notifications. Click on allow, and there you go. Now as long as you get a mail here, you're going to get a desktop push notifications right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.